guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute, I know, but I had to come on here to do this unboxing. I love what's in here. I just wanted to share with you guys in case anyone else is liking these products and wanted to, you know, try them out as well. So you guys, let's jump right into the unboxing. So these are a just because situation, and I'm loving them. So this is the box that they shipped in. Yes, I did open them because of course your girl wanted to see what it was, okay? And I wanted to see firsthand if I should go on camera. I wanted to see firsthand if I should go on camera. So this is how the packaging came. They were wrapped, and the products are from Tory Burch, and I just love the detailing. Oops. I just love the detailing on here and how they package their stuff. They give you a little card on here, the thank you card, and what else came? And then there was a little note with because it was a gift, so a little gift note in here, gift card. Of course, I won't share what's in the card with you guys, but let me put this down. So the first item, oh my god, their gift boxes are so cute. Like how cute is this? These are so cute. I was like, no, when I saw these I was like, I gotta share this with my people. Like and yes, these are my first Tory Burch items, so I am a little bit smitten. So yes, you guys, the packaging, love them. All right, so first you have the gift box, and then in here you have the product. Love the detailing of the box, love the color, love the whole thing. And so in here we have the item. So this is the I think it's a thong slipper. I don't remember, but I'll link them below. But I'm sure if you're familiar with Tory Burch, you probably know them. It's a thong zipper. I love that. It's so slender and it's so cute. Love that. And that's what they're looking like. Absolutely cute. Like absolutely cute. I love them. All right, and then so the next item is a tote, and I love this tote. Again, the color, so cute. Love the detailing of the gift boxes. I think they are amazing. They definitely put a lot of consideration into how they package their stuff. So this is the tote that came in here, and what I like about the tote is that it is great for traveling, and this can fit a whole bunch of stuff. And I love totes like these. If you're traveling, your laptop, your iPods, your personal belongings, your purses, everything can fit in here. So I love this about the tote. If you've purchased this, of course, or purchased any of the items, let me know what are your take, and you know, if you've been liking the items. So I love this, and they're absolutely durable, sturdy. The material is nice, easy to clean, that I like as well. And I think they go well with the slippers, the patent here. So yeah, love it. Love it. So I just wanted to come on here, you guys, and just share my little gifts with you. And as I said, they were just because gifts. So share in the comment section what you think, if you like the brand, if you've tried stuff from them, and let me know what your take is. And tell me, I'm not joking, right? The packaging's so cute, especially the pink one. I love this one. So anyways, that will be all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.